Hey everyone guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to switch between Uber Eats and Uber X. So if you're actually juggling food deliveries and ride sharing, this guide will help you make the switch seamlessly, guys, okay? So let's get started, okay? So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Uber app on your phone. Remember guys, Uber Eats and Uber X are basically, they're part of the same platform. So everything happens in one app. So once you're in the app, you want to look at the bottom of the screen. Okay, the bottom of the screen, you'll see two options: delivery for Uber Eats and ride for Uber X. So what you want to do, guys, you want to just tap on the ride option to switch to Uber X. Okay, this will take you to the ride hailing section where you can request a ride, view your location, enter your destination, things like that. If you want to switch back to Uber Eats, just tap on delivery option to return to the food delivery section. It's literally that simple, guys. And that's it, guys. Now, basically, you know how to toggle between Uber Eats and Uber X effortlessly. Okay? If you find this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like. Guys, don't forget to comment. And of course, guys, make sure you subscribe for more quick tips and guides. I'll see you guys in the next one. Only if you're subscribed, though.